Right, what's up, you heaps of crap? Right, I'm just doing a terrible video saying you all suck. I'm only making this video because YOLO and swag and chinky and stuff. Right, comment on this what's happening on this video. See what you want me to play next. I downloaded Lara Croft something. It was free on Xbox because Xboxes are beasts and sucky ass PlayStation suck balls. So they should just go die in a hole because no one likes them and they'll suck. Yeah. Oh, and if you want me to play horror game, let me know. They're fun. YOLO. Bye.